Welcome back. Want to give your YouTube account a fresh look? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your YouTube profile picture using your mobile phone. These steps are simple, easy to follow and work for most users. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. After opening the app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Within the menu, click on the View Channel option at the top. After opening the page, tap on the Edit button in the pencil icon. After opening the channel settings page, click on your profile icon menu at the top. After this menu, here you can see various options. If you decide to set a photo to you already saved on your gallery, to select it, simply go to the gallery option. Here you can scroll and find the exact photo if you want to add your profile picture. For example, I am using this photo for selecting, then hit done. Now this is very important. You can crop, adjust the size if you want to set as your YouTube profile picture. Once everything is good, tap on Save as Profile Pictures. Wait a few seconds, this process is work and automatically updating your YouTube profile picture. And now that's the correct result. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more easy YouTube tips and tutorials.